Okay, and now let me tape this so you can see how long are we gonna cut it. Let me just cut it 23 inches, and that's gonna be fun. Okay guys, and now I'm trying to get the angle right there. This is what I'm doing. I'm chopping this up to get the angle right there. Side way to bend this thing like this. Is that enough? Okay guys, and today I got this and this, so it took me a little time to get those because here in Nigeria, you see, those things are not easy to get, things like this. So I got those things. Those are supporters from Kid Bicycle, you know. Wow, yeah, look at this. Look how nice this is, guys. Look pretty, guy, right? Okay, and that's awesome. And this comes with, wow, look at this. This, and it comes with also, there are two of those things. And that's not enough. Still comes with those screw. You can use those screw from the tires, right? Take a look at those things, guys. This is what I'm just trying to do. This thing like this, and that's gonna look pretty good. And then this one also gonna come like this to let them be stable right there. Here is the handlebar. The reason of this handlebar is that if the seat here and sometimes they their face down, then they touch it, see, nothing cause the alarm, and then they will jump back.